Hello, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve one-step equation for algebra. And it's going to be like the first step to solving an algebra equation. So please bear with me. So I'm going to try to do a good job. Okay? We're going to start with this one, y. Say y, so we're going to say y plus 15 equals 36. So what we're going to do first is we're going to try to get all the numbers on one side. We have to keep all the variables on one side. So in order to get this number and to solve for y, because that's the whole thing about algebra. You have to solve for the variable, and that's the only way you're gonna get the solution is by trying to solve for y. And that's the whole concept of algebra, is solving for y, x, or whatever variable they would give you. Right now, I'm giving you guys y. We're going to do a couple of these, okay? So, in order to get this on this side, we're going to subtract this from here, 15 from there. I'm going to put this equal sign right here so I can be able to know what I'm doing, because it helps you out real good, that you don't get confused. And then you have to put it 15 over here. So what you do to the left side, you have to do to the right, like twins. You give one twin something, you got to give the other twin the same exact thing. So you subtract the 15 from the left and you put it on to the right. But because this is a plus and this is a negative, this cancels the 15 out. So it only leaves you with y. You only have y now. So let's solve this equation. Okay, 6 minus 5, that's 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So y equals 21. That's basically your answer. Nothing more, nothing less. You don't have to solve any more problems. That's it. This is one-step equation. Okay, so let me try another one. This time we're going to be trying to solve for x. Okay. So let's solve for x. We want to solve for x. Okay, so we got. Okay, it's not tried yet. Actually, that one wasn't working. X. So we got, let's do a minus, a negative number. So we get x. Say we have negative 15, same thing that we did just now, equals 36. Okay? So we want to get the variables on this side, the same thing that we did in the last one. So in order to get this, since this is negative, we're going to have to add. Because we can't subtract 15 and subtract 15, because that's not going to work, because we have to cancel the 15 out on this side. So we add 15. Okay? And I always put the equal signs and I put a line through it so we don't get things confused. And when you get really comfortable about it, you don't have to put lines through it, but I like to do lines through it so we keep everything aligned. So that cancels that out. And we bring down the x. Because that's what we're solving for. So we're solving for that x. So 6 plus 5 is 11. But we try to carry the 1 up here. So 3, 4, and 5. So x equals 51. And that's it right there. You don't have to solve for any more problems. No, nothing. You don't got to do nothing more. Give that a nice little check mark. Yes. Actually, I can use the blue one. Check mark. Your variable is solved. Your equation is solved, I should say. So we're going to do one more. Okay, so we're gonna go on ahead and let's solve for, we're gonna solve for z. Z plus 2 equals 12. So we want to get 2 over there by 12. I also put the equal sign. And I'm going to do 1 without using the equal sign. So what we do here on the left, we got to do on the right. So -2 right there. They cancel each other out because a positive and a negative, it cancels things out. Okay? Because you're moving that from here. Okay? So now we got z. So we got to bring z down here because we are solving for z. So 12 minus 2 is what? Is 10. And that's our answer right there. The answer is 10. And I'm going to give you a nice little check mark right there. And that's basically how you solve for x. Do one last one. Okay. We're going to solve for s. S minus, with a negative number I'm talking about. S with -9, put the equal sign, and then you say, let's say 39. So we want to get the variable, the variable over here, and we want to get the number to go over here. Okay, so since this is a negative number, we have to add it. So we're going to add 9 to both sides. Those two cancel each other out. We're going to write the equal sign here because we're going to bring Miss S down here. 9 minus 9 gives you 0. And you bring that 3 down, so 30. That's your answer. S is 30. You get a check mark for that. So if you're ever having any problems just solving one-step equation, don't hesitate to come back to this video and it'll show you the simplest form how to do it, you know, because you have your variable, then you got your number. You just want to get all the numbers on one side. And like I said, if it's a negative number, you just subtract it. And that's basically it. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, that's me. I did it.